got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And this is such an easy casserole. I'm just spraying my 9x13 dish with cooking spray. And now you can take your favorite pasta sauce, whatever you like, and lay a thin layer on the bottom. And now you take a bag of frozen ravioli, whatever kind you like. I told my husband to pick out what he wanted. He got beef, but you can do the cheese, sausage, spinach, whatever you like. And you just want to put a layer down. And last time I made this, I did 2 and I froze 1. Now you just want to put a layer of mozzarella cheese. I grated about 16 ounces. I may grate more depending on how far this goes. And you just want to sprinkle a little bit of parmesan. Now, normally I grate my own, but I have that, so I'm going to use that. Now you just start all over. Put another layer of sauce. Another layer of ravioli. And the last ravioli, and that's not going to cover the whole thing, so I'm just going to kind of spread it out wherever. And now we're just going to cover it with the rest of the sauce. Cover it with the rest of the cheese, and I think the 16 ounces worked out good. And now all I want to do is cover this with some oil. Put it in my 350 degree oven for about 40 minutes. Then I'm going to take off the foil and go another 15-20 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. And I'll see you then.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. It sure looks good. Until next time, bye y'all.